Python is one of the most popular programming languages globally, but is it still worth learning in 2026? We've got the complete guide for you. In this video, we'll break down what Python is, its pros and cons, its future scope, and even show you a simple program. Stick around until the end. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to automation and web development, Python's influence is vast and growing. So, with all the buzz around new technologies, the real question remains: is Python still a valuable language to invest your time in for the year 2026? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language created by Guido van Rossum back in 1991. It's known for its simple syntax, which reads almost like the English language. This makes Python one of the best choices for beginners in coding. Unlike languages like Java or C++, Python doesn't require complex boilerplate code. You can achieve powerful results with significantly less code. Next, let's explore the wide range of applications where Python shines. Python is heavily utilized in automation, scripting, and is a strong contender in web development frameworks. It is also fundamental in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, testing, DevOps, and even cybersecurity. What makes Python such a dominant language? Let's look at its major advantages. The simple, easy-to-read syntax means that even non-programmers can grasp basic Python code quickly. Python boasts a massive ecosystem of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow, giving it immense versatility for various projects. It benefits from one of the largest developer communities globally, leading to a high demand for Python developers in the job market, especially in AI and data roles. However, no language is perfect. Here are a few downsides to consider. Python is an interpreted language, making its execution speed slower when compared to compiled languages like C++ or Java. It also tends to consume more memory, and, because it's dynamically typed, errors often appear only at runtime, making debugging tricky sometimes. So what does the future hold? Let's look at Python's role in the next few years. Python is indisputably the definitive language for AI and machine learning. Its extensive libraries drive innovation in these fields. We expect heavy demand in data science, analytics, and automation, as well as a strong role in DevOps and cloud computing. In conclusion, if your career path includes AI, automation, or data-driven roles in 2026, learning Python is absolutely essential.